everyone, welcome to this week's Insta Pick and Sing. So we ran a little poll and most of you seem to vote for the mango upside down cake. And I figured it's the end of the mango season and somebody did give me some lovely delicious mangoes. This one has been saved for me to eat later. But I thought, why not do a mango upside down cake? I've always heard of pineapple upside down cakes, but this should be fun and yum. So, well, let's get started. I've preheated the oven already to 177 degrees and I have 1.5 cups of flour here, to which I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And isn't it nice? Chennai ரொம்ப நல்ல cloudy weather இருக்குல்ல past few days. I've been enjoying it. But I'm going to put a little bit more just to make my cake rise beautifully. So that's flour and baking powder. And we're just going to stir that up nicely. Come closer and have a look. So this is my mom's tip. எங்க அம்மா என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா, when you're mixing your dry ingredients, add the baking powder to the flour and stir it very well. Because with a cake the rise comes from the baking powder. So the better you stir the baking powder in, once you add your wet ingredients, the batter comes a lot smoother, says my mom. Oh, as always I have to drop something. Okay, so we have all the ingredients out here already, but the first step is we have to double boil half a cup of brown sugar with 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. So I'm going to take this over to the oven and along with my little tea. So if you guys watch my brownie recipe, then you know that the double barrel method involves a saucepan of water right there, and then you put this over that. So we're just going to heat up the water, and we don't want it bubbling a lot. This is a very low flame, but it's okay for this. Well, I'm drinking some lovely mango flavored tea in keeping with the mood, guys. It's a company called TGL. And somebody gave me a few tea bags and I really like them. It's very refreshing. It's a good way to drink green tea. Anybody has any questions so far? None at all? Well, is someone sending me kisses? Oh, Deepika's behind the camera today. Say hi to everybody, Deepika. Everybody
Hello.
wants to know who the camera women are. And I also have a little helper in the house called Amrita.
Yeah.
She'll be helping out later. But for now, she's Amrita. She's not baked a single thing. She's a very good Tambram food cook, but she doesn't bake. So
I'm a little nervous.
maybe I should have done this a little earlier. What time is it? You know
flame.
what? Screw the low flame.
Go to the high.
Put the big flame. Yeah, can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. And we have Aretha Franklin playing in the background, guys, for those of you who care. So, this is why we want the low flame. And I'm going to just put the butter in there. Pretty. And so the point of this is, in an upside down cake, for those of you who don't know this, the cake has to turn upside down, so the bottom layer comes on top. And the fruit is the bottom layer in this case. So we have the delicious mango pieces, which I've already cut and kept. Iniki na ella homework ready panniten. I'm fully prepared. No running around last minute. So yeah. So what was I saying? So this is to form a nice caramelized. It's very hot. So maybe we'll go back to the low flame now. It's very hot. It's very
You want Tommy's Nathan?
No, I don't need the mittens right now. But the point is that the water doesn't have to get so hot, but it just needs to be hot enough to melt the butter, right? And you can come closer again. This is going to take a while though. It's an area time at the mango pieces on top so that it like glows and glistens. So yeah, that's the point of this. And we have some nice news for later. You know, over the past week I've been having like so many people approaching for help, and it's really hard because let's face it, nobody's really making money at this point in time. So you know, how do you help others while also looking out for yourself and your own future? Because in Akita, I don't know when I'm going to be working again. At the same time, I want to help people, you know, and I feel really bad for especially all the kids who have to do long distance learning because Ipodika schools are closed, right? So they all have to study distance learning. How do you do it without a laptop? I mean, under normal circumstances, எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க, oh, laptop is a luxury. But under these circumstances, what do? How do you study, especially for like kids who are, you know, preparing for their board exams? And the that 1 year matters a lot. And especially if you come from a lower income group, imagine அவங்க அம்மா அப்பா எவ்வளவு sacrifice பண்ணிருப்பாங்க to put this kid through school, right? You know, and then at the end of all this, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு pandemic வருது. That kid would have studied so hard to do the board exams and wanted to be something in life, and now maybe after 3-4 months of unemployment, the parents are like, you need to go and work, and we can't afford a laptop, so there is no point in you studying anymore. And that breaks my heart because I genuinely believe that education and awareness is the only way to make this country a better place, you know. So there's this lovely lady called Ragini who I have worked with in the past, and she's started raising funds to provide, you know, used laptops to only kids who are preparing for their board exams because they're the ones who really need it. And I thought that's a brilliant way of helping these kids out. And I want to really appeal to all of you. You know, you're all here and every little bit counts. I mean, I'm singing for you and I'm baking for you, so please donate for me. Okay, this is almost done. Come take a look. Yay! Well, the sugar is not completely melted, but it'll happen. I hope it'll happen. So we'll just keep at it for a little while longer. It's hot though. So this is a little tip, by the way. When you do this double barrel saucepan routine, I burnt myself the first time because of the steam, not because of this heat, but the steam from under the water. So can you see my little saucepan has a little hole on the other side? I keep it that side. I don't want to get burnt by the steam. In the Pakistan, no steam comes, so you can't burn yourself. Steam is very dangerous, my friends. It's worse than hot water. It's a lot worse than hot water. Come on. It's getting there, but look how the texture has changed. You know, cooking is like baking, or baking is like a science, and you know, and things just transform, right? It's like a chemistry experiment. Okay. அவ்வளவுதான் நினைக்கிறேன். Deepika's just here for the cake, guys. Not that she cares about you or me. She just cares about the cake.
Yeah, thanks.
I know this to be true. Unfortunately. Yeah.
It's getting thicker.
Yeah, that's what we want.
I love your polka dot dress, Sandy.
Oh, thank you. It's an oldie, but a
Yeah,
goodie.
yeah.
These
Gives
clothes
those
are
feels.
I've bought, like, if you Google some of my old interviews many years ago, I think in Hyderabad for some press meet, I have used this dress and I posed in it. Because I was so shy and I didn't know how to pose. So I was like,
எங்க ஷை பண்ணு திருப்பி எங்க ஷை பண்ணு
you
பார்க்கலாம்
find pictures of me in this dress. So I guess the good news is I recycle my clothes. The bad news is, well, clearly I
And
don't
recycle
care
them too
about
much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
so
but
you should tell
I
them
think-
to pull all the old clothes from the wardrobe now.
Yeah, well,
That time.
no. I mean, is there anything wrong with it? I think it's a really cute dress.
Not yours, in general.
Yeah. Oh, in general, yeah. No, we are putting
Reusing,
together
recycling.
this idea to auction off old show clothes for charity, and we're working on that concept. That's something we discussed last time, and it's in the pipeline, my dears. Okay, my fingers are burning now. Enough of this. Okay,
Stops there.
let's move on. Oh, jeez, I'm sweating a lot. It's hot. Okay, as I mentioned, this is separate now. Now, what I'm going to ask
Yes.
Amrita to do with her clean hands, she has washed her hands with
Yeah.
soap and water.
With soap and water and sanitized.
Now, these are the beautiful Bangnapalli mangoes.
So what am I doing with this, Andy? Apart from eating it later.
Come on, I'll show you and you can get started. So, this is a greased tray already, a cake tray, and my hands are also clean. So, we are going to arrange the mango pieces without any gaps. Okay?
All right, noted.
Can you do that?
Absolutely
And
noted.
if it's a very squishy piece, just throw it back in.
All right.
It means
Throw it in your mouth.
Pick it
I'll
up.
throw it in your mouth. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to take the wet ingredients for our cake. So here we have 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. I'm just going to put it in there. And this is half a cup, 100 grams of unsalted butter. If on the butter one, I've taken it out of the fridge like maybe 2-3 hours ago. So it's soft. And now I'm gonna whisk it. Don't wanna waste any butter, do we? Nothing goes to waste in Andrea's kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna whisk it like with a whisker till it's creamy. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Wait. You have to take the mango pieces.
Put that for.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I completely forgot.
It's okay.
So much for
Yeah. This is
This is
also
fine.
part of
As much as I prepare, I always goof up something.
That's okay. So what are we supposed to?
Yeah, we're supposed to put this blasted sugar mixture on the tray, and then we're supposed to put the
Okay,
Remove the
there's only
mangoes.
one layer that's got. So we can
that's
still.
That's
And
okay. You can still save the day.
Yes, yes.
Take the mangoes out. Take the mangoes out. Sorry, guys. Well, in my defense, I did do a practice run of this cake and it turned out well. But I was trying to do it like recipe copy அடிக்காம உங்களுக்கு பார்க்காமலே பண்ணலாம். So we're gonna pour this mixture. Yes, that's why this is the first step of the cake. I'm such a dummy. And I completely forgot.
Okay, we're gonna grease it with
Okay.
sugar mixture.
Yeah. So here you guys, come on. So this is the caramelized. Deepika, you're not getting good shots of the sugar, I think. Are you?
Oh, I am. Yeah.
All right.
There's enough light. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
So I don't want any complaints about the camera on Deepika.
Oh no. Let's run a poll after this.
Yeah, that's how.
Who makes the best camera woman? So as you can see, yeah. So we just let this cool a bit because you might burn your fingers otherwise.
No worries, I should handle it.
கொஞ்சம் பத்திரமா பண்ணிக்கோ.
Yeah, நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். I'm new to baking, Andy. I'm not new to the kitchen, so.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be taking this to the sink. my god, I remembered.
I know, thank God. With a few pieces.
Yeah. So anyway, now this business is gonna. So yeah.
You'll develop some serious biceps with that.
Yeah, I will. So we are going to buy an electric mixer for me after
Yes.
this, so that I don't have to work my poor hands. Straight off. Butter and sugar. Chinna vayasula vanda I used to eat this with chapati. Did anyone else do that?
I did.
Oh my god!
did.
Amazing! Butter, sugar in a chapati rolled up.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Even toasted bread.
Yeah, I used to eat it mostly with roti because toasted bread was still sweet, whereas roti was not. Good old days of life. So yeah, so we're supposed to do this until it turns creamy.
I have a question, Andy. So this goes all.
Fully.
Okay.
You shouldn't see the tray.
Do you
Yeah,
have enough mangoes? Like, we need
of
to cut
course
more
we
mangoes.
do. We do.
We'll
have
cut
one
more mangoes,
more.
no worries.
We have one more, but I think it should be enough.
Okay.
They were two big fellows. And I didn't eat them except like the parts that were fallen. Next time maybe you guys should see the
Yes.
cleaning of the mango process. That's the best part. Deepika and Amrita were invited to cut the mangoes, but they came late. So I cut the mangoes all by myself and I ate it all by myself.
Okay.
It's not my fault.
Apologies.
It's not my fault. But yeah, we're getting there. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா இருக்கு ஆனா நடக்குது. See, already the sugar has disappeared. Bring the chapati. See, it's all creamy, all nicely blended together. Yum 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 yum.
Yeah, showing the layering also.
Yeah, please do.
Okay, sure.
Come on, bring out your artistic side, Amrita.
Yes. There you
Asked her to
go.
cover the tray up.
Okay.
What was the artistic side? Yeah.
Huh?
You asked her to cover the tray up. What is the artistic side, Chikina?
Oh, I'm doing it beautifully.
Okay, women at work. Women at work.
If you only care about the cake, we've already.
Now. You made enough advertisement of that. Okay, this is creamy, nice.
Yeah, can you see that? Now we'll just like get it out of the. Now we're gonna add the eggs, guys. The eggs. So the recipe I found did not it called for 3 eggs, but my mom always says the more eggs you put into the cake, the better it tastes, the softer it is. Texture-wise, eggs are really good for cakes. So I'm gonna put 4 eggs in, and yeah. Also, there's an interesting tidbit about separating your eggs. If you separate the whites, which I'm not going to do because I'm too lazy, but if you do that, your cake turns out even better. Maybe next time if the helpers came early, we would be able to do such activities. But this time the helpers were not on
Okay,
time.
the helpers submit. Uduma.
Submit and surrender long back.
So the helpers were a little late. So otherwise I would have separated the eggs for you guys and we would have had a surprise.
Andy, we can still do it now.
No, it's too late now. It's too late. Okay. This is yeah. So we're gonna
Okay,
pop.
so that's the butter and sugar.
That's the butter and sugar. Now we're gonna put the
Done.
eggs in. Egg 1.
Crack them up.
So let's do 2 eggs at a time, yeah? I was listening to old Raja songs. It was so beautiful. You know which one? I was listening to Sendura Puve and
Wow.
then
Do you want me to pull out the lyrics, Andy?
isn't it the right words?
They're asking you to sing.
Yes. And then there was this one more song. Tendral Vandu.
Oh my
Sing one of your Raja songs, no? That you sing for your show.
Huh?
ஏதாவது ஒரு ராஜா சாங் பாடவும்.
இப்போவா இருங்க கேக் முதல்ல அவன்ல போட்டுக்கலாம் பட் yeah, and it was like Now I went up to my terrace in the night and I was just sitting there, and I've been going up to my terrace a lot. That's one great thing about this whole lockdown experience. And I mean, who doesn't want to go to the terrace? Look at the clouds, it's so beautiful. So yeah, I went up and I was listening to all these beautiful old songs and getting some nice ideas. So something's coming up soon, guys, musically. Just wait and watch.
Okay. Now the baking chef needs to take a look.
Are there any more mango pieces?
There are.
Then put them all in there.
Okay.
I can see gaps.
Yeah.
Can you see gaps, guys? I think there are some gaps.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Come on, Amrita, you can do better than this. You can do better.
The sous chef isn't.
The sous chef.
Come on.
We shall have to sue the sous chef. This is possibly my.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going straight to get the blender
Yeah.
after this, yeah.
You need the
Well,
other
you
thing.
know,
No
not
more
complaining. It's a good workout. And then we're putting
2 more.
2 more eggs. Also, you know what? Even though mango upside down cake was the crowd favorite, a lot of people have asked for the banana bread. So don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do it for you because it's probably the only healthy thing I've ever baked, and it's a really nice one. So I will do it. I will do it for you guys very soon. Okay, so we put 4 eggs. I like to use only brown eggs. I don't know why, but I just do. I use them for cooking, eating, everything. So we'll just whip this, 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 whip this. Anyway, there we go. So if you notice, it looks a bit curdled at this stage, and that's okay. That's because we haven't added all the other ingredients. Now we're going to add the rest of our wet ingredients. So the recipe calls for just yogurt, but I'm switching it up and I'm doing yogurt and fresh cream because I think that gives a more moist texture to the cake. So this is 1/4 cup yogurt and 1/4 cup fresh cream. I managed to find medium fat cream, which means the cake is a little fatty but a whole lot tastier. So yeah, we'll just scoop all that out. How are you doing, Amrita?
I'm doing perfect.
Hi, Amrita.
I have all the gaps full.
That's wonderful. Excellent.
Deepika.
Now it's better.
You can even.
Oh, really? It's better.
Yeah, good.
At
And you
this
know-
corner,
yes.
there's a gap.
See, Deepika's finding more gaps. And
No, she's finding more mangoes for herself.
Yeah, inga unna. Ay,
After.
inga.
well, the more mango on the cake, the better.
The better.
Just pop it all in there. Don't worry about it.
I think it's done.
So yeah, so now this is the yogurt and the fresh cream, and we're whipping and whipping and whipping and whipping and whipping and whipping. Guys, by the way, the beehive is becoming bigger. I think they're building chambers and having babies. You can go have a look at it. Go and look at the sky. It's so beautiful. Open the door. While we're whipping and snipping and whatever it is.
How?
Oh, you have to turn the knob up.
Up and.
It's not going up. Damn.
Come, 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 I'll do it.
Come on, I'll do it. That's all. Look at
okay.
the beautiful sky. Isn't it lovely? I think it's gonna rain again.
It's been like this for the past couple of days.
I wonder what the bees.
Oh, it broke. Oh my good lord, that's huge, man.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a big one. Please shut the doors.
Okay, we can go back in.
The man.
I'll get back.
I am done.
Really? Wow, Ams.
What more can
Yes,
I do
our
for
tray
you?
is ready, people.
That's
Layered with the
amazing, that's
mangoes, layered with the
amazing.
mangoes.
So, yeah, you know what we can do? We can put a sprinkle of salt over the mangoes. Can you do that? I like to add salt to everything. So now, I'm kind of done here. And I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And that's the end of our wet ingredients, guys. Ta-da! That's all. My mummy gave me this and it's almost over. That means I've been baking a lot.
Your mom gave a full bottle, new bottle.
She gave me like half a bottle, and considering you use only 1 teaspoon for anything you make, that means I've baked a lot. Okay.
They're going shopping after this.
Yeah.
Who wants to buy me an electric mixer?
Me for coming late. I'll make up for it.
I'll drive you guys up.
Emotional black. Deepika's buying us coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
This
so
has
now
official shop
we're done with these ingredients. What we're going to do is we should also add a bit of salt here. Yeah, always add a bit of salt to everything, guys. It's fine. Just stir that up a bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix the batter in slowly. By the way, the house smells like it's gonna smell like a mango for sure.
I have so much of butter and
No, it's gonna
caramelizing. Currently, it's the caramelizing smell.
Once the cake goes into the oven, it's gonna smell like a mango. Okay, so this is a thick cake. Maybe because we don't want the cake to collapse under the weight of the mangoes. I'm gonna give it a break and use the other hand.
Do you want me to stir?
I am a left-hander, but I think that you're. No,
Yeah.
it's not gonna work out.
You're going to be the last choice for this.
Oh, look at the colors!
Oh my god,
Yum,
it
yum.
smells so good.
Go. Background 300 theme music. Mariada play for me.
But it's okay. I like doing this. It's fun. Nothing good ever comes easy, including cake. So the last ingredient we add is mango.
How many mangoes did you pulp for that?
No, it was just the leftover pulp from the. I cut 3 mangoes, okay? And yeah, this is about half a cup of pulp. No more than that. About half a cup. This much only. So you get the flavor of the mango in the cake. How awesome is that? Now it's looking like a cake batter. Oh my god. Some people may wonder, why are we wasting good mangoes on a cake?
Huh?
They might wonder. They might wonder such a thing. Such a thing is possible. People might wonder.
I'm getting tired watching you, man.
No, it is exhausting. It is exhausting, guys. It's exhausting.
Say something. People say they can't hear you. Say something.
Something.
Okay.
You guys can't hear me? That's because I'm not saying anything.
Ah, okay.
And this is the batter. Nom, 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 nom.
Audio
not a very-
Hands audio was there.
Nuts, one second.
It's not a very sweet cake.
Now good.
Okay?
It's not a very sweet cake because we have all the mangoes on top of it, right? So, yeah. Huh? Okay, guys. This cake is ready to go into the oven. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. Or maybe I'll leave them all off.
Butter, sugar, mango. Oh.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on the top of this cake. Even though it's gonna be at the bottom, but still. Just to make it like a nice color and give it a crisp texture. We can try everything once, can't we?
Honey is very innovative. But food.
Okay. This fella is ready to go into the oven. And this oven has been preheated to 177. And it's hot.
Mitchell.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Be careful.
We'll put this in. Yeah. 40 minutes. Okay. We're done, guys, for now.
Let's start the singing.
Hmm?
Let's wait for the cake, I said.
Yeah. So because I'm so awesome.
Oh, you are Nani. You're always the one.
Because
You
I'm
talk
so
to when
awesome.
it came to ordering
We
food.
need-
I will have it.
Because I'm so awesome, I need some mango ice cream to have with our cake. But we'll pull that out later. We can check on it now. We can do a little tasting session of the mango ice cream.
You want to tell them how you made the ice cream? Any recipe for that?
Who wants to taste, Amrita?
Yes.
Come on,
Always.
நம்ம என் பேர் மறந்து போயிட்டியா?
Cameraman, we should not disturb them.
இது வேற.
Deepika, there's no question.
Deepika's busy. She's
Right. Later. Thank you, people.
Oh my god. This is so yum. So full of mango. It's so full of mangoes. This feels like just throwing the mango.
Amazing,
into the
man.
texture.
Killed it.
So I'm putting it into the fridge because we're going to eat soon with our cake.
Yeah.
But the way to make this mango ice cream is super easy. I found this recipe. It's a 3-ingredient mango ice cream. It's just mango pulp, condensed milk, and fresh cream. Ta-da. So what I did was because I did a batch of this as well, and I made some mistakes. I found that when you use the fresh mango pulp, it doesn't set so well. But you collect the pulp and you freeze it, and then you use it. It works a lot better. So what I did was I froze about maybe 2 cups of mango pulp. I used 1 cup of fresh cream and 200 ml of condensed milk. And so I blend the condensed milk and the frozen mango pulp in my blender. This is a non-ice cream maker ice cream. Yay! So yeah, you just dump the frozen mango pulp and the condensed milk into your blender, and then when it's nice and creamy, you add the cream, the fresh cream, and you whip it. And I also then you add sugar to your taste. I didn't, because I didn't think it was necessary. My mangoes were really good. I added some salt, and this was not in any recipe, but I added a big dollop of yogurt. Just plain yogurt. Like a big dollop of it at the end and whipped it up. I don't know, yogurt just does something to the ice cream. It makes it all come together in a nice way. And then you just pop it into your freezer and ta-da, enjoy. So that was a nice little mango ice cream surprise. I was supposed to wait till the end when the cake was ready, but I couldn't wait. This is the only mango left. I've been cooking with all the mangoes that I've gotten so far. Oh dear, it's a bit of a messy situation.
No.
Anyway, let's have a seat, girls, and
Start with the Raja song that came half an hour ago.
yeah, so we have about half an hour and we'll do some singing. But na paadra paatuku neenga donate pananum. That's my only request, guys. And obviously I'm not going to know if you're actually donating or not, but I'll find out when Ragini calls me. Because how do I say this? I think in the rendu masathula vandu a lot of people have been giving a lot of their, like, artists, we've been giving a lot of ourselves for free. Normally I don't sing for free. I perform at a concert and I get paid to do it. But now I'm doing it on Instagram for people, for fans, because it's a low time and I want to do what I can to cheer people up, right? So we've been doing that so far. But now I would really request all of you to donate in whatever small way you can, right? And it helps somebody out there and makes you feel good, makes me feel good. So we'll start taking requests. I think first request will come from the Little Helpers.
Raja song request came 20 minutes ago.
Raja Sir song.
Yes.
Any Raja
Any
Sir
song. That's what they
Okay.
said.
I'll have to pick a song which I know the lyrics because my phone is being used for Insta.
I can get you the lyrics if you want to sing a song from last night.
No,
What?
I'll practice that. I'm going to do it later.
All right. Well, fine.
I'm planning to do a beautiful set of songs with my dear friend Keba Jeremiah. So, on the time la பயங்கரமா கலப்போம். But for now, but I still need lyrics.
One from your show list. Yes. There you go.
Or a Telugu song request is also coming up.
We have lyrics, don't worry.
Yes.
Who's the
Go
hero?
for it.
Who's the hero? Nahi. But
இதுவரை
Raja Patte Vargirade. Guys, I love Raja, by the way. I love him. And the what's interesting is I never actively listen to Raja sir songs. But சின்ன பொண்ணா இருக்கும்போது I think என் வீட்ல my cook or my maid அவங்களாம் ரேடியோல இந்த பாட்டு தான் கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. So in my DNA. So many years later as an adult அந்த பாட்டு கேட்டா எனக்கு தெரியுது, ஆனா எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியுதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. That's the magic of Raja. He's in our DNA.
somebody wants you to speak in Hindi, auntie. Can you try one line?
Yeah. Okay, Raja Patte. I love this song. It's a very beautiful song. ஒரு பூங்காவனம் புதுமனம் அதில் ரோமாஞ்சனம் தினம் தினம் உலாவரும் கணாக்கள் கண்ணிலே ஓராயிரம் வினாக்கள் நெஞ்சிலே ஒரு பூங்காவனம் புதுமனம். Well, I'm gonna just do that for now. Should we do a charanam?
Yes.
Please.
Please.
Sounds so
Come
good.
on. Yeah.
இங்க அங்க தப்பு பண்ணிடுவேன், மன்னிச்சிடுங்க. நான் காலை நேர தாமரை என் காணம் யாவும் தேன்மழை நான் கால் நடக்கும் தேவதை என் கோவில் எந்த உன் டிரைவர் கால் பண்ணு. கோவில் இந்த மாளிகை என்னாலும் தென்றல் வந்து வீசிடும் என்னோடு தோழி போல பேசிடும் உலாவர் கணாக்கள் கண்ணிலே ஓராயிரம் வினாக்கள் நெஞ்சிலே ஒரு பூங்காவனம் புதுமனம் அதில் ரோமாஜனம் தினம் தினம் இந்த பாட்டு I mean in this movie Agni Natchatram I remember watching Agni Natchatram such a cool movie.
Absolutely.
So that was your Raja song for the day, guys.
So it's a Telugu song request. We've had quite a few.
Shiri. I think this was there from last week. Telugu now I have to sing my buddy DSP part da.
Bharatane nenu tane.
Illa adilla. We'll sing another song. I sang a lot of songs by DSP. Lyric, everyday lyric. Hey, where is the lyric?
This one song, very nice song.
Zara.
Zara. Good one. That's why little helpers are required.
Yes.
Minions.
We missed the 30 minutes, but that doesn't mean
We make up for it.
It's from the movie Rakhi. I remember.
Go for it.
This was my first song for DSP, by the way. Yeah. I think he thought I was some foreigner or something. And he told me this later.
Really?
Oh God. Yeah. Anyway, this is another great song. I love this song. Zara zara. Zara zara. Zara zara. Zara zara. Zara zara. Paake vishamla zara zara. Pai kirara zara zara. Ni kaivasam khana. Oh zara zara. Tuge nishala zara zara. Nanu dukanira zara zara. Ni paurusham paina. Sai andira. Varasai kalise tondara. Gusigula pina gusagusalanu vinara. Zara zara paake vishamla zara zara. Pai kirara zara zara. Ne kaivasham kana. Rasikudavani chera. Rujuvedi Rajashekara. Nijamani anavera. తరుణమిదేరా తడబడి అదిగారా అందించవామి ఆశగా మనవిని వినవేరా మానస చోరా పలకవా నిన్నేరా పిలిచరా పూ బాల దొరకరా ఓ వీరా దరికిరా అరవిరిసిన అందాలు అందించనేరా हो जरा जरा पाके विषमला जरा जरा पाय किरारा जरा जरा नी कैवशम गाना हो जरा जरा तुगे निशाला जरा जरा नान दूक नीरा जरा जरा नी पौरुषम पायना.
Awesome.
Thank you.
City Mart.
Now I think I know what song Amrita is going to request. Plus, I feel I should do a song without lyrics because Amrita is getting many calls. So
Yes.
she needs to return all her calls.
Oh, really?
Holy mother. That's a lot of calls.
I know. That's too many calls. I'm sorry.
மாலை நேரம் தானே அதேதான்
அதேதான் எல்லாம் always funny.
It's a மாலை நேரம் moment.
Yes,
Beautiful,
woo, perfect.
beautiful sky.
Perfect time to sing that. You want to sing
Maybe
that
we
in the
should go on
balcony?
Your Wi-Fi goes that. Technical issues, people.
We can try.
Yeah.
I'll stay here, this side of the thing. You
Yeah,
stay
நீங்க
there.
இங்க
Yeah. அம்மா நான் இங்க இருந்து என் மூஞ்சி கட்டுட்டா.
Okay. we shall look at the beautiful sky in the background. Get the right frame, Deepika.
No, the signal goes. Wi-Fi cut.
Oh, signal.
Okay, you stay there.
Yeah.
Just get the frame.
Yes,
Oh, that's a
as
beautiful
gorgeous
frame,
as
Andy.
ever.
Come on.
Yes. Who's got the camera?
Oh.
மாலை நேரம் மழை தூறும் காலம் என் ஜன்னல் ஓரம் நிற்கிறேன் நீயும் நானும் ஒரு போர்வைக்குள்ளே சிறுமேகம் போலே மிதக்கிறேன் ஓடும் காலங்கள் உடனோடும் நினைவுகள் வழி மாறும் பயணங்கள் தொடர்கிறது இதுதான் வாழ்க்கையா ஒரு துணைதான் தேவையா மனமேனோ என்னை கேட்கிறது ஓஹோ காதல் இங்கே ஓய்ந்தது கவிதை ஒன்று முடிந்தது தேடும் போதே தொலைந்தது அன்பே இது சோகமானால் ஒரு சுகம் நெஞ்சின் உள்ளே பரவிடும் நாம் பழகிய காலம் பரவசம் அன்பே இதன் தருமே.
Woo! Thank you, Andy girl.
I think I put the beast to
Near
sleep.
Your favorite A.R. Rahman song?
Yes. Oh.
My favorite A.R. Rahman song. Well,
I can put my phone on.
I have so many. But my favorite A.R. Rahman song, I will not sing it. It's one of my favorite A.R. Rahman songs is definitely Manipaya, but I will not sing that because it's Shreya Ghoshal has sung it so beautifully.
I put it on airplane and your Wi-Fi is on. So go ahead.
Nandri.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to sing one. Yeah, I was listening to this also yesterday. This is another one of my favorite AR songs. And I found it in the Padma Pada actually.
What is that?
நேற்று இல்லாத
Oh, lovely.
மாற்றம் என்னது காற்று என் காதல் ஏதோ சொன்னது இதுதான் காதல் என்பதா இளமை பொங்கி விட்டதா இதயம் சிந்தி விட்டதா சொல் மனமே நேற்று இல்லாத மாற்றம் என்னது காற்று என் காதல் ஏதோ சொன்னது இதுதான் காதல் என்பதா இளமை பொங்கி விட்டதா இதயம் சிந்தி விட்டதா சொல் மனமே கடவுள் இல்லை என்றேன் தாயை கண்ணும் வரை கனவு இல்லை என்றேன் ஆசை தோன்றும் வரை காதல் பொய் என்று சொன்னேன் உன்னை கண்ணும் வரை கவிதை வரியின் சுவை அர்த்தம் புரியும் வரை கங்கை நீரின் சுவை கடலில் சேரும் வரை காதல் காதல் சுவை ஒன்றுதானே காற்று வீசும் வரை நேற்று இல்லாத மாற்றம் என்னது காற்று என் காதல் ஏதோ சொன்னது இதுதான் காதல் என்பதா இளமை பொங்கி விட்டதா இதயம் சிந்தி விட்டதா சொல் மனமே. Okay, it's a nice little song.
Very interesting question, no? That's why I remembered it.
வா வா
நீயா அதை எழுதியிருக்கிய லவ் சாங்?
நானே பாட்டு எழுதுறேன் அந்த மூஞ்சிக்கு நான் ஒரு ஃபேவரட் சாங் வைக்கிறேன் ஆனா இது ரொம்ப அநியாயமா தெரியல உங்களுக்கு. Come on, look at me.
Dedicated the song to a friend.
ஒரே 1 hourல நான் பேக் பண்றேன் பாடுறேன் இதுக்கு மேல என்ன வேணும்? in the complete package.
Who's the hero?
Oh, who's the hero? The laughter
Who's
is
the
already
hero?
there.
Okay. Song ma.
Song தான் சொல்லிட்டாங்க end bit மட்டும் பாடிட்டாங்க the laughter.
Oh, I think we should bring out my hairbrush mic for this one.
Okay.
Oh yes.
You can stay there.
Okay.
Ta-da,
That is the over and two helper number 2. Amma.
yes.
Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kaka vande vadiyaro. Taka vande partigalai. Nar narai kirikum zorro. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kaka vande vadiyaro. Taka vande partigalai. Nar narai kirikum zorro. Sagasatin marapero. Siri vande vegamana arrow. Payamud mandalavagatte pare. Bang! Kaboom! Pallameda satyam gegade. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakavande vadiyaro. Takavande partigalai. Nare narai kirikum zorro. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakavande vadiyaro. Takavande partigalai. Nari narai kirikum zorro. Okay.
Wow.
This is back to our concert days.
Yeah, I do miss being on stage. I do. I
We
do
all
miss
miss.
it. I miss it.
Yeah.
And this is just a friendly reminder to donate. I will be putting up the bank details for this used laptop cause, and I really hope all of you will be generous. Okay, let's go check out the cake. Oh my God!
Now this is us in front, Josh.
Amma.
Can you smell it? Oh my
Oh my God.
But the cake is growing in size.
Mm-hmm.
Very soon. It looks good to me. All the caramelized sugar and mango pieces have dropped to the bottom.
We have to be cleaning that.
Yeah.
Yeah, scraping caramelized sugar.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Anyway.
Things.
There's a lot of requests for your Bharathan and Nenu song.
Really?
Yeah. You want to sing a few
We
lines?
shall do that.
Yeah, come along in there. Let's. So you want to do the lyrics?
Of course, madam. Yini kala bunnade.
నాకు ఆ lyrics తెలుసు.
I have to say, when I went to sing this song at the Bharathan and Nenu audio launch, there's a very interesting story associated with
Let's
it.
not.
I think I have to bring those shoes out. And
Yes.
So guys,
You know, guys, I'll have to narrate the story, not even you.
The story, go with that.
We are.
so as everybody knows, I have a vast collection of shoes. Yes,
Yeah,
and
pick the special
the
one.
incriminating shoes.
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah, here they are.
Okay, so shall be narrated.
Let's show
by
the
you
heels.
and
Let's
the
show the
back.
heels.
Yeah, just show the heel. Yeah, the heel is the most important part. This is
Yeah.
These are my Jimmy shoes. Okay, and this is what I was wearing for the Bharathan and Nenu audio launch. And so I guess when the two biggest Telugu actors, which is Mahesh Babu and Junior NTR, are attending the same audio launch, the security measures will be off the charts. Correct. Understood. Well, unfortunately, I had to be on stage, and the security guys, I think there was some issue with the car number.
You didn't have a car pass.
we didn't have
Yes,
car
we
pass.
didn't have the car pass. Why didn't we have the car pass?
Ask the
And
driver.
DSP Garu wasn't no. He had gone ahead,
No, just one car ahead.
one car ahead, and I think they made one tamasha for his car. I think none of our cars had car passes,
Yes,
right?
None of us had
Yeah,
cars.
but
That's because he was DSP.
But because he was DSP, he went in, and then I don't know, maybe the cops didn't know me, Because it's Hyderabad, not Chennai.
No, we didn't lower your window first.
Oh, you didn't. Yeah, you were trying to talk your way through. Deepika was trying to explain to the cops that there's artist. She has to go. The cop like.
Then what happened?
Oh, that's when I lowered my window.
Now tell them the
So
story.
then I got really pissed off. I'm like, Deepika, what the hell is going on? Why are they not letting our car in? She was like, Andy, just calm down. I was like, no. Then I put the window down. I was like, excuse me, we need to go. He's like, madam, you have to walk. So I took off my shoes and I was like, look, I have heels. I can't walk. I can't walk. I have heels. The cop didn't know English. The cop thought I was threatening to hit him with my Jimmy Choos. So he said, no way this car is getting into this auditorium. And he didn't let the car go in and he got so angry. And then we had to call DSP Garu. And DSP had to come all the way to the gate and tell them, please let her in. She has to be on stage to sing this song.
I mean, we just hear that song. That's it, you know. We're like, we can't stop.
We
So
always
that's the
talk
story,
about it.
guys. That's the story.
That's the story of
the
Deepika
story of
trying to also talk Telugu.
The Jimmy Choo in Hyderabad.
But the good news is I managed to get on stage.
Yes,
And, the cop didn't kill us, so it was a good thing.
we didn't land behind bars.
We didn't land behind bars. So now,
So Bharat and Neno song. Yes.
very
Now let's sing the song.
entertaining story.
Yes. We have to sing the song.
I don't know if this happens to other girls or just me.
It just happens to us all the time.
I have a lot of interesting stories like this.
Lots.
Lyrics. Oh no, it's coming in Telugu. No. One English lyrics. So I love this song. It's a super high energy, pumped up song. Such a typical DSP song, like full of energy. And also I love DSP. He's one of my favorite people in the industry. Such a great guy. And I don't know where he gets his energy from. I really do. I would like to plug it in and steal some energy somehow. That man is always like, oh, he's always a pumped up man. It's amazing. But such a great guy. Such a great guy. Anyway, so yeah, here goes. Na 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 na. Nana, Amrita's doing some dancing. Why are you coming dance?
Inge vandana.
No, don't cheer me. Na na na
I'll be your backup dancer.
Back her up. You're backing me up. Go, that's it.
అరెరే ఇది కళలా ఉన్నదే హో హాయో కాని జరిగిన నిజమిదే నా కథలో అదను ఇదెలా. It's very hard to sing with Amrita dancing there.
Okay.
You should see what all she's doing, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna quiet.
Why did you dance here?
No,
It's very entertaining.
Go for
Very
it.
entertaining.
Okay.
You can come
Go
here.
for it.
Your backup
Okay,
dancer.
from the top, guys.
we only have
1,
one backup
2.
3, go.
Na 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 na.
It's synchronized.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Okay, guys. Okay. I was so much in sync with you, Andy. And this girl. Oh my God.
Girls, cameraman is faulty.
Yeah.
Faulty vera.
Okay, we'll finish this.
Okay, okay.
Arere idi ka.
None of us are dancing. None of us are dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, Amrita's taking a
I
back seat now. So sad. You've hurt her feelings, Deepika.
None.
Okay, finish the song.
Okay.
I'm very upset.
3, 2, 1, go.
అరెరే ఇది కళలా ఉన్నదే అయ్యో కానీ జరిగిన నిజమిదే నా కథలో అదను ఇదలా నమ్మను నా జతలో తనను నినలా చూడను అసలేమవుతుందో ఇంకా ఇంకా అర్థం అయ్యేలోపు చురకాలి నన్ను చుట్టేసిందు అందగాది కను చూపు అరెరే ఇది కళలా ఉన్నదే హో హాయో కానీ
Woo!
Sorry, Amrita.
After
We'll
you.
do a separate video.
Well,
for
let's
you.
do it, Simon.
Of course, I was enjoying
It
it.
was so cute.
I was
felt
enjoying
The
it.
world should enjoy this performance.
Separately, Tanya. We'll do a separate Insta live
Yeah.
with Amzi's dance
I
moves.
think, yeah, we need to.
Somebody
Yeah.
has a request. Konjam Nilavu.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
It's an amazing song.
That's an amazing song. And so I just recently started doing Rahman sir's concerts, and oh my god. So just before the lockdown, Feb 14th, that was my Valentine date on stage in Trichy with 40,000 people singing Chandralekha.
Chandralekha. Ooh.
Unforgettable experience. Actually, Trichy show was bigger and better than the Chennai show, guys. Don't ask me how, but it was. So, Trichy Makkal, Nandri.
Deepika
Somebody-
over it.
Oh,
Deepika was very
yeah, correct. You're a fake Trichy Makkal. You're so-
Hey!
Yeah, you don't enjoy. What we do down the stage is what I did
Ade,
behind
ade,
it.
ade, ade. But yeah, it was amazing, guys. So let's do this. கொஞ்சம் நிலவு கொஞ்சம் நெருப்பு ஒன்றாக சேர்ந்தால் இந்த தேகம் கொஞ்சம் நஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் அமுதம் ஒன்றாக சேர்ந்தால் எந்த கண்கள் கொஞ்சம் மிருகம் கொஞ்சம் கடவுள் ஒன்றாய் சேர்ந்தால் எந்த நெஞ்சம் சந்திரலேகா சந்திரலேகா என் கனவில் எவனோ ஒருவன் என் இரவில் ஒளியாய் தெரிவான் வான் மழை போல் உயிரில் விழுவான் தினம் நான் விரும்பும் வழியில் அறிவான் தேன் இதழை இவள் தந்த மாயாது இனி பார் கடலில் அலை என்று மோயாது வந்து நான் மண்ணிலே ஏன் பிறந்தேன் என்று கேள்வி வாராது எங்கு நீ இருந்தால் ஒரு தோல்வி நேராது oh. Then it's the male chorus, so I'm gonna skip it and just go to கொஞ்சம் நிலவு கொஞ்சம் நெருப்பு ஒன்றாய் சேர்ந்தால் எந்த தேகம் கொஞ்சம் நஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் அமுதம் ஒன்றாக சேர்ந்தால் எந்த கண்கள் கொஞ்சம் மிருகம் கொஞ்சம் கடவுள் ஒன்றாய் சேர்ந்தால் எந்த நெஞ்சம் சந்திரலேகா Chandralekha
Wow.
and then there's some operatic hummings in the end, but I don't know if you guys want that. It's like my neighbors are gonna send me a message. Hey, what are you doing here? The whole building is shaking with your voice.
We'll take that as a compliment.
AJ,
I have to
AJ.
send them some mango cake as a peace offering. You know what I mean?
Think about it.
Okay, can you smell the smell?
I just went and took a look at the
amazing.
cake.
The house is smelling like a mental.
Completely. Ask us about it.
Any more requests, guys? I think we have time for one.
There is a Google request.
Of course. Hey,
Hmm.
is today? Not yet.
Not yet.
But it's coming up.
Coming up.
We're
yes.
in the season.
Good
So
job.
let's dedicate this
Yes.
song to Ilayya Thalapathy since it's his birthday weekend.
Woo!
Birthday month. Sorry.
Do not get these things wrong.
Sorry. But I know it's his birthday is coming up because I know there's a surprise being planned for him. So yeah. Okay, so this song goes out to Ilayya Thalapathy. And here's hoping he has a fabulous year with Master, which is going to happen for sure. I know because I was in it. Okay. Google பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் உலகத்தில் இவன் போல ஒரு கிறுக்கனும் பிறந்ததில்ல யாஹூ பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் இவனை போல இந்த கிரகத்திலும் இன்னொருத்தன் கிடைக்கவில்லை நான் டேட்டிங் கேட்டா வச்சு பார்த்து ஓகே சொன்னானே ஷாப்பிங் கேட்டா eBay.com கூட்டி போனானே மூவி கேட்டேன் யூடியூப் போட்டு பாப்கார்ன் தந்தானே பாவமா நிக்கிறான் ஊரே விக்கிறான் Meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. Oh, meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. By the way, Amrita has some really cool moves.
No, I'm sitting down.
She's like,
Of course, it's Google. It's you. Yeah, that's how we go about.
Somebody wants you to sing a Katy Perry song.
பாட்டு படிச்சா. How far are
Somebody
you?
sending you
That
love
song,
from
Andy?
Singapore.
உன்னை நினை-
actually, master shoot பண்ணும்போது விஜய் சார் வந்து என்கிட்ட
Yes.
உங்களுக்கு இந்த பாட்டு தெரியுமா என்ன பாட்டு அந்த உன்னை நினைச்சு பாட்டு தர
பாட்டு படிச்ச.
நானே
Correct.
ஆராதா.
அபூர்வ சகோதரர்.
I was like, இல்லைங்க சரி அடுத்த ஸ்கெட்யூலுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கற்றுக்கிட்டு வந்து பாடுங்க எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அந்த பாட்டு ஷுவர் அப்புறம் நான் மறந்துட்டேன் அடுத்த ஸ்கெட்யூல் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் மீ பாட்டு கேட்டீங்களா எந்த பாட்டு ஓ மறந்துட்டேங்களா அப்படின்னு ஸோ மேபி ஐ மஸ்ட் லேர்ன் திஸ் சாங்
For the birthday.
For his
and
birthday
send it to him
dedication.
as a birthday
Yes,
present.
yes, let's do it.
பட் அந்த சங்கதியெல்லாம் என்னால சுத்தமா
வருவாங்க. Try பண்ணலாம்.
அமிர்தா அக்கா, என் மேல இருக்கிற நம்பிக்கை
ஆமா.
பா,
வேற level.
பா.
We'll start rehearsals today.
Exactly.
Katy Perry.
Katy Perry, yes.
I love Katy Perry, guys. She's so cute. Why not? I love Katy Perry, so I'll do a Katy Perry song. Can you open up your phone?
Yes.
Lots of love from Malaysia and Singapore. Say hi.
Lots of love right back. Mwah, mwah.
We were there for your birthday.
I was in Malaysia for my birthday. That's another story, but we won't go
No,
there.
no, we're not going there.
All our Malaysia trips are stories.
Yeah. All our Malaysia trips. You remember the year before too?
Okay, so this is one of my favorite Katy Perry songs, guys. It's called Teenage Dream, and it makes me feel like a teenager. So I like to sing it. You think I'm pretty without any makeup on. You think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. I know you get me, so I let my walls come down, down.
One water, Andy.
Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. You brought me to life now every February. You be my Valentine, Valentine. Let's go all the way tonight. No regrets, just love. We can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch. Now, baby, I believe this is real. So take a chance and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. What?
Aishu signed in and she said, hi, Andrea.
Who?
Oh,
Aishu.
Aishu.
Aishu. Renegade.
Hi,
Aishu, hi from all of us.
எப்படி இருக்கே ஐஷு கலக்குறா இப்போ
கலக்கம் வரல.
ஆல்வேஸ்
Hi from Deepika. Hi from
Ans.
Ans.
Iduvare. Lot of requests for Iduvare.
Of course.
Of course, yes.
Everybody
That always
wants
needs to.
I'm going to take a staple.
water. இதுவரை எப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணாலும் அந்த ஒரு காஃபி அடிக்கணும்ல அந்த மாதிரி அந்த பாட்டு என்ன பாட்டாலும் அந்த ஒரு பாட்டு கண்டிப்பா வந்துடும்.
Has to be there.
It has to be there. So it's cool, guys. I love that song. I think that might be our last song for the day.
The cake is almost done.
The cake is almost done. My house smells like a mango. And once again, before we wrap up, I will be posting the recipe and pictures of the lovely mango upside down cake. And I will also be posting the bank details for you guys to donate so that some kid out there can get a used laptop which will help him study for his exams. Let's try to make a difference in somebody's life, because I can't explain to you how important this is, guys. And the laptop illana, maybe he loses a year and அவங்க அம்மா அப்பா என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா இல்ல பரவாயில்ல நீ படிக்க வேண்டாம் நீ வேலைக்கு போ. And that's very sad. It's very heartbreaking. That kid must have had a dream of being something, you know, of studying and becoming something more than his circumstances. So I really appeal to all of you guys. Please donate. And now we go on to Yuduvarai. Okay, we'll sing it there. இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்வு இதயத்தில் உண்டான The cake is done, dude.
The bell rings.
Finish the song.
Okay.
Finish the song.
Like the children that want to run out of the.
Okay, fine.
That was such an approach.
It smells like a mango in here. Oh la la, look.
Oh, watch out, Andy.
Yeah, I know it's dripping.
It's caramel.
Yeah.
You want to put a
But this is not the exciting part, guys. The exciting part is when we ta-da!
flip it over. Oh, that's the cake.
Probably a little more.
No, I didn't shut it properly.
Okay, we're doing some cleanup also.
It's okay, Andy.
Yes, I cleaned
Don't
it.
do bars during
I
the
cleaned
live
it.
session.
And I have to show. This is. I love these new flip flops of mine, guys.
Yes.
Jimmy Choo's are reserved for.
Jimmy Choo's
yeah.
are for the stage,
Yeah.
but these are the best flip flops.
Yeah.
Now, what do you want, Andy?
It's a lot of caramelized sugar in there. We will. We'll get a spatula now.
We do the scrapings, and that's going to be the best part of it. Woo! நிறைய இருக்கு. இரு, இரு, இரு. கொண்டு வா.
What is she doing?
Like the mango itself. And also, this is the best part of the cake, guys.
Yes.
We're not giving this up. Hell no. But I can't reach more than this without burning myself, probably.
Yeah, just let it be for a while. Oh, you have to take the grill out.
Yes.
Ah, I just take the grill out.
Careful.
Oh, you're so smart.
Careful with mittens.
Oh yeah, it's kind of burnt though. So this is my pan. It's a problem with my pan. It's probably it's like can't even explain it. So now, well, I use this cake pan because it opens like that. See? No, it's not done yet. But now we get another plate.
That's what it looks like. Can you see the
And,
hanger?
Yeah. So, this is the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Yeah. It's fine.
Here.
Wait, it's hot.
It's okay.
This is a very dramatic cake. But also, I guess it came out really well in the trial, guys. I'm so
I'm
No,
sure
it
it's
still
still gonna
comes
taste
really
good.
well, Andy.
Wow.
It's a lot of mango. I think we may have put a bit too much mango.
Yes.
So don't call Amrita to layer your cake.
Oh my God! Like seriously, look who said.
I'm sure it's still gonna taste
Put
yum.
more mangoes. Put more mangoes.
That's true.
Deepika, the gaps.
Amma, the gaps.
Andy, the gaps did all the damage.
Oh, okay, now we're going to. Well, it's super hot. Let's get the ice cream.
Oof. Ice cream with
Ice
this.
cream. And we will have a little slice of. No, get a small plate. Full tamasha today is.
Hold on. Let's get the mangoes. You have the mango. You have the cake.
Complain about it.
Exactly.
I am trying to choose a plate that will pop the mango color. Am's in the house. There's always space for God. So we're gonna.
Slice it up. Slice it up.
Yeah. Well, technically, I should have waited for the cake to cool, but we're not waiting. The cake is fully cooked, as you can see. Okay?
Yum.
And now we're gonna take a scoop of mango ice cream. Who wants the first bite? Knock it Deepika.
I've got to bloody hold the camera, man.
I will hold the camera. You deserve it. Go, Deepika.
Come on, Deepika, you deserve
Go.
Yes. I'll get a spoon. I'll get the spoon.
Okay. This is a jolly good tasting cake, even though it has collapsed. I'm sorry. But it's
This is just the gaps filled too much, Andy. Deepika, this is just the.
right, it's too good. Oh, and it's too good, man.
Oh my God.
The cake is baked so perfectly.
No, it's a good cake. Well, that's it from us today, guys. Sorry
Signing
about
off.
the goof ups, but you know this is how life is. Sometimes your mango collapses, but it's okay. You still have to love your mango cake, just like I do. So bye. Isn't it?
Yum. Ooh. Special